Hey guys, Jesse at Humble Karate Spa, and today I wanted to show you the real life benefits of Clear Bra. So this is an Audi Q5, brand new. Audis are actually known for fantastic paint. So if we measure this, paint depth gauge, paint is measured in mils, not millimeters, but mils. So if you measure the paint, measures at 7, wow, that's pretty good. Usually it's about, there you go, about 4. Paint protection film, you can see we're laying it on right now. I haven't tucked it in yet, but paint protection film has real life benefits. So that's a whopping 12.7 mils, 14. So you're talking about more than almost triple. So that was 6, that's pretty good. Almost triple the amount of protection as far as thickness goes. Clear Bra is really fantastic because it will protect from rock chips. It actually has some self-healing properties, so if you brush up against it, you accidentally scratch it, you'll find that it heals a little bit. As the name suggests, it's actually quite clear. So if you look, this is the Clear Bra, and this fender hasn't been wrapped yet, but here's the paint. You can see it actually is a little glossier than the paint. The entire front end will be getting Clear Bra, but you get the idea. So you can see tangible difference between Clear Bra covered surface and just the paint. Although paint is very good, that's what's going to protect you from rock chips. So if you're looking to get this done, hit us up. We are still running our specials, and so if you want to get it done, then now is the time. It's Jesse at Humble Karate Spa, signing out.